kind of impact did the RBI curbs have on Kotak Mahindra Bank, and what kind of growth trajectory does the management expect now going forward, now that the ban by RBI has been lifted on Kotak Mahindra Bank? To get you more details and to decode all of that, I'm now joined by my colleague Gaurav. Over to you, Gaurav.
A very positive news flow coming up for Kotak Mahindra Bank because now RBI has lifted its ban, and let's understand how it has impacted its financials. First, let's talk about PBT. When the ban was actually impacted, the brokerages believe that the PBT is going to be impacted somewhere in the range of 2 to 3%. In fact, management had also quantified this somewhere in the range of 300 to 450 crore rupees for FY25 itself. Before the ban, we have already seen that Kotak Mahindra Bank's credit card segment grew at a range of around 20%. In fact, when it comes to unsecured segment, we saw this segment also increased to around 12%, which was earlier was at 7% in 2020. But other than that, when the ban was actually imposed by RBI, we saw the unsecured mix went down to around 10.5% in the last quarter. At the same time, credit card growth was only at 2%. Net interest margins were also impacted because of the unsecured mix was changed, and that is the reason why we saw a sharp fall in net interest margin, and as a result, ROAs were also impacted. Let's also not forget that for bank, cost to income was also high because they were implementing new changes, and as a result, we saw some impact on profitability. But after that, we also saw management was actually very optimistic. They said that growth trajectory is going to be very high in terms of cards and personal loans when the RBI's ban will be lifted, and at the same time, they also said that credit card will contribute at a higher scale. At the same time, when we look at the valuations also, now Kotak Mahindra Bank trades at around 2.3 times price to book, which was earlier trading at around 2.6 times, and it is also lower than its 3-year and 5-year average. So definitely it makes a very strong case. In fact, when we look at brokerages, they had also believed that RBI ban lift is going to be a key trigger for re-rating. So definitely a very positive move coming up from RBI and for Kotak Mahindra Bank. And on back of this, we will definitely watch how the stock reacts in the day tomorrow.
Absolutely, here's waiting and watching how.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.